Hey, tubers. What's happening? Been a busy weekend. Been a busy day. That's just my life's busy as hell anymore. So, did I lose my camera? What's been going on? I know I've been behind on the videos. That's a gimme. Sorry about that, folks. So I'm off to get dinner. It's raining, it's fall, 64 degrees, but they're calling for snow. Yes, I said the S word. About a weekend. Not very happy about that, let me tell you. Traffic's insane. It's just a train that let out. And I have a semi trying to pull out over here. Yeah, this is not going to be a good shot. Keep falling over. Guess we'll figure that out. May end up holding it like I can. Well, probably wondering why I am all dressed up here. I had a second interview for a quality position at where I work. Went very well. I guess there's some other applicants that went along with me, I guess. So, we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. Hopefully, I'll get the job. It's not any increase in pay, but it does allow a lot more freedoms, which is a big plus in my book. So, what I think I'm going to do is hold it like I usually do. This ain't working. Other news. I no longer have D91 Blue Buick Riviera. It went to the wayside in a hurry. Basically, it needed a new catalytic converter. It started drinking antifreeze, and either that or losing it. And a power steering line went out. I mean, it was taking a whiz over my driveway along the right. And I think it needed motor mounts, plus God knows what else. So I figured it was time to give the old girl up. We had a good run. Went out looking around at some cars. They had a Concorde to pay for $650. Went to take a look at it. This thing was in worse shape than the one I was giving up. Had no paint. It's all basically gone, baked off, and God knows what else. Had a dent in the gas tank. Ran well. It was that much. Mirror on the side was broke. Someone broke into it while he had it sitting there, stole the spare tire, the jack, the speakers, the whole deal. Like, this thing's only worth $200. Plus, when we drove it and came back, there was smoke coming out of the hood because it had a power steering fluid leak. I'm like, nah, I ain't trading a pisser in on a pisser. It's ridiculous. So we went looking around some more. Went to another lot that a relative worked at. And I got found a 94 New Yorker, Chrysler New Yorker. Only had 76,000 miles on it, and I got $1,400 off the deal because it needed a little bit of work. So, good deal on my part. Runs good, getting good gas mileage. I like it. Got a 3.5 liter, 24 valve V6, 235 horses. I like it. Lots of power. I've put on quite a bit of miles since I've already had it. And my payments are only $75 a month. My insurance only went up $50, so that rules. And I'm going to cut it off here, and then I'll talk more with you guys.